and the month will go like this. By the time we'll finish the town hall, it will be 12, and by the time you will understand and get into the field, it will be half of the day over. So I thought let's do something which will agitate everybody. I am always excited to start day early and start the things early, so I thought let's do something which will excite those set of people who are still not in the game. And I think before we get into the deck, we have 36 management trainees. I like to welcome all of them. Now our batch is set. I think now we will be not hiring more, and we are working with all these 36 management trainees in the respective branches. And one thing I can tell to all the management trainees, guys, if you do well for the 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months period, and we see that you are doing well, then we have enough vacancies to take you as an assistant sales manager. This is openly I am telling to all the sales management trainees who are there. But yes, for that I need 6 to 8 months of performance from all of you. I think Anup, along with the zonal heads and the regional heads and the territory managers, are taking good interest in your development and learning. But yes, end of it, these 2 months you also have a lot of incentives available to you for per case of renewals, per case of new business. I will urge all the management trainees to make loads and loads of money. And today when you see in a town hall that what are the things available as an assistant sales manager to make money, it should further motivate you that this is the team where you want to become from management trainee to employee assistant sales manager. So Anup, I think welcome to all of them, and you should give them a confidence that if they do 6 to 8 months good job, that we will create vacancy for all the good performers in all the branches they are working. That's my promise to them. But at the same time, I need a very solid performance by all of them starting from February, because for January was more on hiring and training. I think the role has been set. You can recruit advisor below existing franchisees. You can collect renewals. Show that you are of that capability to be part of this winning team. Yeah. So that's all I want to talk about it right now on a town hall for management training. I will have a separate meeting with them now that the game has stabilized. And I will urge every branch manager, because let me tell you, when I traveled to few of the locations last month, I didn't found the engagement of a branch manager with the management trainee that closely which I expected. I think for a branch manager, management trainee is like an infant baby. You have to make him successful, because that's your key responsibility, along with making your branch and sales manager successful. Their careers will be built on their leaders' ability to motivate them and coach them. I also remember my first manager. Today, if I am there, I always thank my first manager. जो मेरा पहला बॉस था ना, उसको मैं आज भी बात करता हूँ, उसको आज भी थैंक्स बोलता हूँ कि सर आपकी वजह से मैं इंडस्ट्री में आया और आपकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पहुँचा. So I hope God has given you chance to make impact in somebody's life. If you will be honest with that, you will make somebody's career. So not much I want to talk on that subject, but please make your management training successful and make them learn the art, so that when they become an assistant sales manager, they month on month achieve plan and they month on month make incentive. That's my only message. Because the success of this channel is the success of this program, management training program, is very critical for a lot of people in the leadership team, and they have been very clearly told that. So hopefully I am sure there are enough support management trainees are getting from the branch managers and even from the sales managers in the branch, because these are your young brothers and sisters which you should train them like your brother and sister getting into industry. So help them, make them succeed. There is a good incentive plan for every management trainee which is separately rolled out, so they should also make money. And branch manager should branch manager should see how many management trainees are making money and what money they are making below it. That should be the measure of success for the branch manager for management training. Chaliye, let's start to the next deck, please. Next slide. So let's start with the February enablers. So let me ask you questions. Are you ready for some crazy earnings for yourself and your team? So not only for your sales managers, also for your something again crazy for your franchisees and everybody in the team.
Yes, boss.
One more thing which I will give you today as a tool, which if you are smart, अगर आप smart हैं, अगर आप चीजों को अच्छी तरह articulate कर लेते हैं, तो you can go back to the competition franchisees, advisors and the competition sales managers कि come and join us, because what we are offering, what we offer, nobody offers in the market. And I am telling you, I am into this industry for years and I am seeing what industry is doing and what we are doing. So I am going to give you something that can kill the market, kill the competition if you are in the market. अभी आप घर में ही बैठे रहोगे, मार्केट में किसी से बात नहीं करोगे तो फिर नहीं हो सकता. Then again I am going to do something which I have never done in this year. I think since the launch of this channel, मैंने ऐसा कभी भी employee segment के साथ नहीं किया. Something which people who know, I am always very strict on the certain aspects of the distribution. But I said, now the culture has been set. Arjun, Pawan, Ganpati, all the regional heads are building what I am supposed to, I am asking them to do. और जो जितना build कर सकता था उसने build कर लिया. I think this is the time to give some relaxation. 2 महीना थोड़ा सा relaxation देते हैं अपने employees को कि लाओ go and make money. Whatever you have not made in 10 months, you can make in 1 month. This is the power which I am going to give you today. Chaliye, let's move on. So this money tree can be any sales manager's money tree, any branch manager's money tree. But yes, for that you have to be in the market, you have to have a distribution working for you. Chaliye, next slide. So let's start with agent and franchisees. So last month we have seen a very strong performance by a lot of agents and franchisees, and only thing which was missing was our Health Global product, which we launched with lot of fanfaring in the month of December. But unfortunately, I myself has told you that hold on to this product because the underwriting guidelines and everything was not as per expectation. So I am very happy to share, I think that I'll share in the next slide, that the initial 2 levels where the customer was struggling for the medicals, I have got that very much in the favor. Go back to Palla, we'll come to this slide. But before I share what I have done, the changes, let me tell you what I am giving to advisor or franchisee self. One single policy of Health Global will make advisor earn 2,500 rupees. One single policy of Health Global in the premium between 50,000 to 1 lakh will make advisor earn 5,000 rupees. This is a ticket size, again, and multi-year will be counted. And one single policy of 1 lakh to 2 lakh will get advisor franchisee 7,500 per policy, and club and everything are extra, contest everything are extra, everything will be there. Every single policy of 2 lakh and above will get advisor or franchisee in self code 10,000 rupees per policy. How's it? दे रहा है कोई मार्केट में? एक पॉलिसी पे 10,000 रुपया? नहीं सर, कोई नहीं दे रहा. Will this excite people to sell Health Global?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will completely change your advisor's excitement in the market when you will tell कि सर हम एक पॉलिसी पे 10,000 रुपया ले रहे हैं, कमीशन अलग दे रहे हैं, क्लब अलग दे रहे हैं, कॉन्टेस्ट अलग दे रहे हैं. Now you make the calculations for the advisor on the Health Global, and this is on per policy. Somebody sell 5 policy, 5 के लिए अलग अलग मिलेगा. Cumulative premium नहीं है ये. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर किसी ने 4 पॉलिसी बेची 50-50 हजार की तो उसको मिलेगा, एक पॉलिसी पे भी मिलेगा. 4 पॉलिसी 50-50 हजार की तो उसको 20,000 मिल जाएगा. 5 ना कि 10,000. Understood? Everybody understood? Will this excite you? And this will excite you more when I will show you the next slide. Just go to the next slide. What we have done, that we are only going to focus on two things, guys. 1.5 crore and 2.5 crore sum assured. Again I am saying, hear me out properly, because इन दो ग्रिड के अंदर मैंने आपकी लाइफ बहुत सिंपल कर दी है. Up to 2.5 crore sum assured for a person lesser than 55 years of age. Medical will be done at home. Customer doesn't have to go to the medical where we are facing the problem कि medical नहीं हो रहा और ये problem है वो problem है. We will get the medical done at home up to 2.5 crore sum assured below 55 age. So everybody has to only focus on this segment. आप बाकी बेचो मना नहीं है, but बाकी पे भसड़ है, मेडिकल अंडरराइटिंग है, वो सब है. And make sure that these are the very clean customers, because here loadings and all are very risky. So I am saying selectively, if your customer profile is really good, even if it is individual or it is family, focus at 2.5 crore and 1.5 crore. Earlier these were not home visits, this thing, these were the lab tests. Now we have said up to 55 years 1.5 crore, up to 55 years we will do a home visit. Similarly 2.5 crore home visit in below 45 and below 55 age band. So now go back to previous slide, Pallav. Will this excite now your advisors and sales managers? Below 55 age band, below 45 age band, medical will only at home, and customer doesn't have to go anywhere. वो blood निकलेगा और वहीं से वहीं हो जाएगा, जैसे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में होता है. आपको वो TMT, CMT के लिए लगना नहीं पड़ेगा, आपको लाइनों में नहीं लगना पड़ेगा, वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, because past there was experiences कि 2-2 घंटा 3-3 घंटा मेडिकल टेस्ट पे लग रहा है. Will this help, Arjun?
या करेक्ट, डेफिनेटली ये रिक्वायरमेंट भी थी. और इसके आने से जो कहीं ना कहीं हेल्थ ग्लोबल पे जो थोड़ा सा जो डेंट आ रहा था वो कवर अप होगा बस. सो डेफिनेटली बस 2 लाख पे 10,000 रुपए यूज अमाउंट
एंड मल्टीपल पॉलिसीज है ना, तो जितने वो बंदा चाहे बेचे.
करेक्ट.
And what I have also done is that as a team you should focus on below 55 up to 2.5 crore. वहाँ आपका प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, घर पे ही टेस्ट होंगे, घर पे ही सब कुछ हो जाएगा. उसके ज्यादा बेच सकते हो बेचो, बट देन प्रिपेयर कस्टमर के साथ थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. और लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में लोग जाते हैं टेस्ट कराने, ऐसा नहीं है. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस, एंड वी हैव गिवन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पल्लव. So these guidelines are there, we will circulate it to you. So
one important part, sir. One important part here is for this is applicable for the no PED cases and normal BMI cases.
Right, absolutely. I am saying in a health global, guys, if you don't want to waste time, if a customer is above par BMI, don't sell health global, आपका कॉल वेस्ट हो जाएगा. अगर कस्टमर का PED है, आप उसको हेल्थ ग्लोबल मत बेचो, बिकॉज वो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली वो केस डिक्लाइन ही होता है. तो एज ए स्मार्ट सेल्स मैनेजर्स एंड लीडर, आपको सिर्फ उसी कस्टमर पे फोकस करना है जहां पॉलिसी इशू करा सको. अदरवाइज कस्टमर का चेक भी आएगा और गालियां भी आएंगी. ओनली फोकस ऑन नो पीईडी, नॉर्मल बीएमआई, 2.5 करोड़. केस मक्खन की तरह निकल जाएगा. I hope Pankaj, Saurabh, Ganpati, everybody, Pawan, you guys are hearing this.
Yes, boss. Clear, boss.
Make your people understand later that this is the only segment we want to sell. Up to 2.5 crore, less than 55, no PED, no normal BMI. Otherwise वो केस इशू कराने का मेरा कोई गारंटी नहीं. चलिए. And tell this very clearly to franchisees and advisors also. We only want in this segment. बाकी सबका बसाड़ा है, उसकी जगह हेल्थ इंफिनिटी बेचो. टाइम मत वेस्ट करो. चलिए नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So this is back. We have relaunched 200% weightage for advisors and franchisees from 1st to 15th February. This time straight away I am giving you 15th February. आधा महीना आपका. Plan, enjoy. People who have already taken advantage of it in the 1st to 15th January, and when I traveled I have seen so much of noise around this. Competition में कोई दे रहा है क्या 200% फरवरी में, जनवरी में? Let's hear from. Let's go any regional head. Let's start with Raja, where I was there. Raja, will this excite your team?
जबरदस्त सर, ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था बॉस, एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था, बहुत बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन दिया सर, बहुत अच्छा
Now
कॉन्टेंट दिया।
you can, all of you can go back to the competition as also to the existing. कि भैया जो हम करते हैं बार बार करते हैं और हमारे पास जो बजट है ना वो किसी के पास नहीं है, हमारे साथ काम करिए। I have last time also told Parag and I think lot of RH कि please make the schemes of the Care, Bupa, Star and Reliance and Tata together on one page and show the show the comparison to the advisor कि हमारे साथ डालोगे तो क्या मिलेगा, competition के साथ डालोगे तो क्या मिलेगा। हम 200% दे रहे हैं, कोई नहीं दे रहा 200%।
सर
अगर आप इसकी स्लाइड लोगों को दिखा दोगे ना तो लोग अपने आप आपके पास आ जाएंगे।
सर ये जो बूस्टर है, ये फेथ का टारगेट 15 तारीख के लिए खत्म हो।
सॉरी,
ये जो बूस्टर है ना सर, इस मंथ का जो प्लान है 15 दिन में ही खत्म हो जाएगा सर।
राइट।
जबरदस्त ड्राइव हो जाएगी।
That's the game. That's what I wanted to. Parag is there by any chance?
Well, I'm there and I'm there and I'll always be there. Boss. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. And rightly said, when it is on a competition part, now we are too much on a higher side to give the benefits to our distributors. Thank you very much, sir, for a 15 days complete flat opportunity. And rightly said by Raja कि 15 दिन का महीना है, 15 दिन के महीने में काम खत्म करना है.
This is a small month, guys. So no 10th. I said straight away till 15. Get your all the people. So one who has taken advantage in first 15 days, they should qualify again. Other people you have recruited who have not taken chance last time, they should take advantage. By any chance we have Vishwa here? Vishwa, nobody in the Chennai market is giving neither Star, neither Bupa, neither Care. If you really take it well to your distributors, this will take it. Vishwa is there by any chance, Ganpati?
Yes, sir, he's there. Vishwa, unmute.
Yeah, Vishwa. Okay. Anybody else from the north? I think let's hear from Lakshmi. Lakshmi, you had a poor month last month. Will this help you to start again? Restart your branches again?
श्योर बॉस, डेफिनेटली उस ये बूस्टर पे हमारे मतलब फरवरी मंथ के लिए, फरवरी ऑलरेडी 29 का है तो कुछ दिन कम होंगे, बट सर 15 दिन में जैसा राजाराम ने बोला था अभी सर कि हम 15 तक बिल्कुल 100% ये मिशन होगा कि 15 तक हम हमारे ब्रांचेस के टारगेट्स कंप्लीट कर दें सर, और फुल ऑफ जोश के साथ लगेंगे सर, और सभी एडवाइजर्स को फुल ऑफ मोटिवेशन मिलेगा सर इस मंथ से।
And you have 2 new branches starting this month, Ajmer 2 and Alwar. So I am sure that will give you a lot of advantage. So take advantage of this, Lakshmi. So I hope all of you, Ganpati, will this give you some fresh energy again in the south to start the month? You will able to take advantage?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir, it is.
Arjun, will this excite your team to?
It's like, but thanks to you for giving 15 days.
सर डेफिनेटली, जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं भी जब ट्रैवलिंग पे था तो मनोज एंड टीम, आई होप, आई थिंक नाउ यू, उस समय डिस्कशन हो रहा था सर ये वापस आएगा क्या, मैंने काम करते रहो यार, बिलीव इन तथास्तु, सोचोगे तो आ जाएगा, तो आ गया। सेम विद द ग्वालियर टीम,
take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of it so that your so many people comes in the game.
Exactly.
We are throwing money like anything in this JFM, but you need people to get motivated to make money. That all I can say to everybody across the channel. So this is again there 15 days to get the head start. Now there will be sales managers and the branch managers जो बोलेंगे हम 7 से 14 में करेंगे, and there will be there who will start it today. Choice is always yours. I can only give you the opportunities. भगवान ने सबको चांस देता है, हम सबको भगवान ने चांस दिया है 200% का। अब इसका कौन जल्दी फायदा उठाएगा, कौन नहीं उठाएगा, that again we'll see by end of the month. So many congratulations to all of you. You guys rallied in the first 15 days. I thought let me try it again. If I had some money, I said let's play it. So I expect, as Raja said, that your basic hygiene plan, if your plan is up to 6-7 lakh rupees of the branch, that should be over. And if your plan is 15-20, then at least you should do 10 lakh rupees in first 14 days because we have January shortfall to cover. And by the way, Thailand and all are still live. मैं इस टाउन हॉल में मैं थाईलैंड की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट थाईलैंड के लिए भी हम लोग खेल रहे हैं और सेल्स मैनेजर्स आर स्टार्टेड क्वालिफाइंग. वी जस्ट नीड टू टच दैट स्केल ऑफ 30 करोड़. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई नीड कि 5 करोड़ ऑलमोस्ट 4.5 करोड़ हो गया, प्लस 4 करोड़ 3.5 करोड़ तब हुआ था, तो 3 और 4 7.5 8 करोड़ के आसपास, 7.5 करोड़ हमारा हो गया. Now we need to do almost 22 crores in these 2 months. So if we will do 8-10 crore kind of month then next month is going to be 12-15. So to make sure that कि हमारा 22 करोड़ हो, मेरे को ये महीना 8-10 करोड़ का करना है और अगला महीना हम 10-15 का करेंगे. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये फिर से डाला ताकि थाईलैंड भी हमारा क्वालिफाई हो जाए गेट, और हमारी टीम जो इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, पीपल हु आर डूइंग 100 पीपल आर गोइंग टू गो टू थाईलैंड वंस इन अ ईयर. हम ऐसा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, तो प्लीज टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ इट. चलिए लेट्स मूव ऑन. सो दिस इज गिवन अगेन बैक, एंड आई एम श्योर लास्ट टाइम आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग तो कुछ लोगों का फीडबैक था कि सर लेट आया, 2 तारीख 3 तारीख को हमको पता नहीं चला. इस बार मैंने 1 तारीख की सुबह सुबह दे दिया राजा, और 15 तारीख तक का ऑलरेडी दे दिया. ठीक है ना, आपको ऐसी को आप फोटो खींच के भेज दो आपको जिसको भेजना. चलिए, बाय द वे कॉन्टेस्ट विल कम इन नेक्स्ट 1 hour. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
मेरे पास अभी स्टॉक वाला आया था, हाँ सर का होगा.
So we will continue to recognize and provide our Lakpati franchisees. Can you give somebody a stock? अर्जुन आपके पीछे जा रहे हैं?
नहीं.
KV. Who is this?
कशिश.
Office में. So weighted premium 1 lakh Lakpati franchisee will continue to get rewarded. This we are doing it for long. I think we have for the first time yesterday crossed 100 plus franchisees on 30th. I don't know what the number will be today, but I am sure this will be better than the last month. And our focus will continue. People who are making Lakpati franchisee, they are making money again and again and again. And I am sure this is the way to build the productivity. Continue to recruit such people. Continue to develop your franchise. So this is there for this thing. Next slide, please. Okay, what do you want for the